If you're interested in getting into artificial intelligence or artificial intelligence governance, while you don't need to be fluent in any programming language such as Python, certainly having a beginner level understanding or even being able to train a model on your own is really going to give you a huge heads up in understanding the threat landscape for AI systems. And so if you're looking at building your own AI models, but you have no idea where to start, you can stop guessing, because in this video, I'm going to share with you a 5-step curriculum that is going to take you from zero to hero. Well, it's going to require some time, but the first 3 classes you can probably knock out in maybe 20 to 25 hours. So step number 1 is going to start with DeepLearning.AI's course, AI Python for Beginners. While you can build AI without code, if you really want to understand the AI development lifecycle, it's important to have some coding background. So this class, the AI Python for Beginners, this is the absolute best starting point for you. It's a short course and taught by a fabulous team. It teaches you the specific Python programming skills that you need for artificial intelligence without wasting your time with any stuff that you don't need to know. Step number 2 is the Introduction to Machine Learning course on Kaggle. Now that you've passed the AI Python for Beginners, you know a little bit of the programming language, it's important that you understand the logic. Kaggle's micro courses are fantastic because they are hands-on. You're going to be completing real projects with real data to give you that foundational experience to build on for future more advanced projects. What's really cool about this course is that you build your first model immediately and you start learning how to predict data. So the course is both fast and very practical. Once you finish the course on Kaggle, my 3rd recommendation for you is Generative AI for Beginners by Microsoft. This is really going to get you into the more contemporary tools such as large language models and chatbots. Microsoft offers this free 12-lesson curriculum that teaches you how to build the applications that everyone is talking about right now. So if you want to learn how to program models, if you want to be relevant in 2026, you definitely want to check out this course. The 4th course, and this is really the most laborious, the most time-intensive of all of them, is a free course by Harvard University. This is CS50's Introduction to AI with Python. This is where the coding really gets real. This is a very heavy lift, and it's predicted that the whole course from beginning to end will probably take you somewhere between 70 to 150 hours. In this course, you're going to learn about algorithms, logic, and algorithm optimization. It's a challenging course, but if you finish this, you aren't just going to be a tinkerer anymore. You're actually going to be able to engineer your own systems. As far as the coding, programming part of AI goes, you can stop at number 4, but if you really want to round out your skills, another course that I recommend is Elements of AI. What's important about this course is, if you're not familiar with AI governance, this is really going to help you understand the implications of developing and deploying AI systems in the real world. This is going to round out your education with an understanding of the philosophy, of the ethics, and the high-level theory of what intelligence really is. And the idea by including this course in my list of top 5 is that it's going to make you a responsible, again, developer and deployer of AI. So those are my top 5. If you don't have time for Harvard's course, you can stop at number 3. I think number 1 and number 2 are going to give you really strong foundational understanding, and you can do those 2 probably in about 20 to 25 hours. The Microsoft course will bring you up to speed by making sure that you can create chatbots and so forth. I'm going to include links to all of these in the captions below, so if you're interested in enrolling and learning more, go check that out.